So let's look at the course materials for the 3-day intensive. First, we have the workbook. The workbook is only available to attendees of the 3-day intensive. I'll have another video that explains how it's organized and why that's important. The entire program works like building a structure. We start with a rock-solid foundation, and we call that rock-solid fundamentals. But every portion of this clinic is built upon things that come first. So the workbook is first, along with the instruction that you receive at the demo table. And then the detailed information is Tom's book, Beat People with a Stick. This is a compilation of 129 magazine articles that Tom wrote, an expanded version of the same information that's in the workbook. You might have 1 or 2 sentences in the workbook that Tom writes a whole article about in his book of magazine articles. You'll receive a ghost ball aim trainer. We do not use the ghost ball position as an aiming system, but it's vitally important that you understand and are able to visualize the ghost ball spot. Tom invented these as part of the elephant ball series. You'll receive a towel for your pool bag, very similar to a golf towel. Unique about this one, it has a large Velcro pocket where you can keep things like your cell phone or your keys that you don't want to bother you while you're shooting pool. And of course, a pen. What's the significance of the pen? Notes. You're going to take a lot of notes at the 3-day intensive. We have other items, training aids, performance aids that are available to you at the clinic. They're only things that we really believe will help you move to the next level in performing your drills. Things like the groover that Tom invented, the AccuShot, the ball tracker, and of course, the practice balls. The last item I'd like to introduce is the MBA drive. When you leave the clinic, you'll have the drive that includes a lot of material from the course book, some tracking worksheets that you can use to track your performance. We'll talk about that in the clinic. You'll get a video that shows you how to shoot your self-analysis video at home. Most importantly, you will get copies of both your day 1 and day 2 stroke analysis videos that we will create for you. These are so beneficial, we forget very easily in a period of 2 or 3 days what it is exactly that we're looking for. This will be a vivid reminder of what you're looking for in your self-analysis videos. Additional information can be found on our website, nationalbilliardacademy.com. You can use the Contact Us button on that page to send questions or registration information. You can email Karen, our director, at nationalbilliardacademy@gmail.com. I want to thank Brent here at Sure Thing Billiards, Lake Arrowhead Road, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, for allowing us to use his pool hall as our studio. I want to thank Team MBA for all their support, and of course, I want to thank you for watching. I invite you to watch the other videos in this series and join our channel. We'll be adding live videos throughout this year so you can see what a pool clinic looks like. Thanks again for watching. Take care.